1973 Ferrari Daytona Coupe, 365 GTB 4. A lot of people think this is the ultimate front-engine V12 from what they call the Enzo era, a car designed and built when Enzo Ferrari was alive. A very pure expression of what a high-end, high-speed Italian GT car was in the early 70s. Trademark of Ferraris this era is the gated shifter, so that you know exactly what gear you're going to be in. No question that the steering in Daytonas is heavy, but does it really matter what a Daytona feels like at 30 miles an hour? Does it really matter if parallel parking is a little cumbersome? Is that how you're going to judge your Daytona? Or are you going to judge it by how it feels when you hit 4,000 or 5,000 RPM in fourth and fifth? You're scooting along at 100 miles an hour and the steering is perfect and light.
It's the ultimate driving machine of the 70s.
I drove this yesterday, and I have to say, Donnie, I always feel powerful when I'm behind the wheel of this car. I mean, the sound of the V12, I love this car. What do you love about it?
I love everything about it. The styling, the power. I mean, it's a red Ferrari. What more could you want, Keith?
I have 500, 525. The reserve is off. You're buying the car today. 510, 520, 520, 530. I have 520 bid. 530,000. 520, 530. Thank you. Now 540. Got it. Now 550. I have 540. 550,000. 550. Thank you. Now 560. 560 going once. 550. 560,000. Second call. 560. Third and final call. Sold $550,000. You got it right there.